Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I just had the boys run up the hill to go check the mailbox for me and I got the latest box in from PreCuts Quilts Box. I know that's kind of confusing because pre-cuts usually means charm packs or mini squares or layer cakes or even fat quarters, jelly rolls, honey buns, all of that. But this is actually a subscription company called PreCuts Quilts. This is their stash builder bundle. They have two. They have a classic and a stash builder. And the stash builder is generally more about all of the fat quarters. I mean, it's always all about the fabric, right? Okay, I think I recognize this little herringbone fabric here. If it's what I think it is, I'm going to be really excited. Let's see. I see black, almost like a train track. And it's got me thinking of this fabric here. So we'll see if I'm right. This is my guess through the bag that's kind of hard to see through. And I will get you guys a really good close-up of what you can and can't see on that one. Okay. October pre-cuts 2024. So let's see. We got the 3 patterns again, guys. I really wish that we had the same pattern for all of them. They're really cute, though. They're really cute. We've got, let's see. Next shipment. Okay, you guys, I just saw the picture on the back, so I'm going to show you the picture on the bag. And this is, I think, exactly what I was thinking of. And this may totally warm my heart about this box completely. So I didn't even read the name. I just recognized the picture. So it says Sweetwater. This is totally Sweetwater. This is old Sweetwater. Not super old, but oh yeah, it's old enough. It's Red Barn Christmas. So this was part of a line that I ordered that I love. In fact, I'm going to just drag out all the dirty secrets here, guys. This is a quilt that I have needed to quilt. It's sitting right next to my long arm because it is next up on the pot. But this is the backing, and I had to chase this down because this is a Red Barn Christmas line from Sweetwater, and I just absolutely adore it. It looks like holiday labels, and I will definitely shoot you guys some pictures once I get that quilted. It's waiting. It's been waiting. I finished it last November. That's how long it's been patiently waiting for its turn in the queue. But I love it, and I wanted to make sure I kind of had a feel for what I was going to do on my long arm and enough maybe beginner skills to accomplish it. So anyways, and that's too funny. My Sweetwater project is here. Okay. I'm super excited, you guys. Can you tell I'm rambling about none other? So about the designer, Sweetwater is a family-run design company located in northeastern Colorado. All of our designing, marketing, shipping, and distribution takes place at our corporate office just off the southwest side of town in Fort Morgan. Sweetwater is actually a spinoff of its parent company, Farmyard Creations. Farmyard Creations began as a quilt company in '85, providing quilt patterns and designing fabrics for quilt stores throughout the U.S., Canada, and overseas. You guys. Oh, okay. Here we go. Their first collection with Moto was called Authentic. Over 50 collections later. 50 collections, you guys. The creativity there is just astounding. They have since added a very popular line of personalized quilt labels. We have always dreamed of having a big red barn, mostly at Christmas time. In my mind, there would be a foot of pure white snow on the ground and a giant green wreath on the sliding barn door. While we probably won't ever get that barn, I can still dream about it, right? That big red barn is the inspiration behind this collection. We love using traditional Christmas colors to decorate, and the collection blends perfectly with our previous Christmas lines. Our favorite part of the line is the block yardage and the new printwork panels. I don't know, because this was, again, I think this was an older line. I'll have to look and see when it was released, and I'll pop a slide in here somewhere so you guys can tell. But I'm so excited. Okay, so I bought this a while back thinking I might use it as the border on that, or the binding on that, but it didn't happen. I'm going with something different. Okay. So yay. Okay. So we got some Aurifil. What is this? 80? No, this is Metler. Okay. Let's see. It's a 50 weight. It's a 50 weight. It looks like a lighter color. I'm not going to call it white because that's probably not what it's called, but we'll look on the label here in a minute and see. It says Old COL 0887. Is that like Old Colorado? Wouldn't that be funny? Okay. I love getting blades. I know this is so super boring. At my house, in our Christmas stockings, we always got socks and underwear because it's practical. And at the end of the day, every year your kids need socks and underwear. And so for me, anytime I have a subscription box and I get a new blade, that's like icing on the cake because I always need new underwear. Oh, I like that pattern. That's really fun. I'll get you guys some close-ups. This is called Airflow, and there's a table runner throw or queen size. And it looks like it wants a number of fat quarters. Yay, because that's what we're getting in this bundle. I like when we get fat quarters, and it wants fat quarters. I might sew this one. Very cool. Oh, okay, you guys. I was absolutely 100% right. Look at that. It's the same print. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. I've been like drooling over this line for a while. And the charm packs, I think I have a charm pack of it that I haven't totally decided what I'm going to do with, but now I think it's going to have to go into this project. And I'm super, super excited. Okay, let me switch to a closer camera so I can get you guys some better pictures.
Okay, guys. I know you probably really couldn't see it when I was on the further away shot, but this is the fabric that I pulled out. Like I could see through the bag, and here's the bag. And here's what the fat quarters look like wrapped up in the bag. And I saw that and I was like, oh, I know that print. Is that not hilarious? I kind of love Sweetwater. Like a lot. Okay. I digress. I just thought this would be the super, super cute binding. It turned out it was a little bit too black for my existing quilt. The back of my quilt would look great, but the front, not so much. So maybe I'll use it on one of my up and coming Christmas quilts, but I love Sweetwater. So super cute. I kind of think of this like as train tracks. I don't know if that's because I read the label somewhere and that's what they called it, or if that was just me being crazy, but you know, all the things. And this is a super, super cute text print. I love text prints. I just think that they're a ton of fun. In fact, I'm going to just totally draw out this video and make you guys all crazy because I keep talking about other things. I'll insert a picture here. I'm about to start working on an English paper piecing project that I found on Pinterest last night when I was staying up way too late looking at my device. That is so super cute. And they use text print between their stars. So you have stars of all different colors and then the text prints, and it's just a variety of different ones. Not anything this dark, but I think it would look stunning. So I love that there's this little bit of drawing in here with the trees, but it still has the text. It says Colorado, blue spruce, Scotch pine. I'm reading stuff upside down. I think I see the word fir on here, and it is just a fun printed fabric. And who could go wrong with that? That is like screaming to be cut into teeny tiny pieces. Look at that print, you guys. Up and close and personal. It's the tiniest of herringbones. I just love it. It's so cute. There's a hat dashery quilt that we did earlier this year from Fat Quarter Shop with one of Lori Holt's mercantile. And I really want to do it like in more plaids and masculine prints, not necessarily as a man's quilt, but just something kind of toned down. I'm thinking like Paddington Bear for some reason. That would be fun. Anyways, okay, so now we've got some X's. So we're getting quite a bit of black in this line for a Christmassy kind of print. And here's another great different geometric print. This would be really cute in some English paper piecing as well. So we've got another text. It says, "Oh Holy Night, the stars are brightly shining, oh holy night." Very cute. You guys, I think I'm like half as excited about just having the selvage here because I've not had anything with the selvage with Red Barn Christmas. I know, I'm a dork. I never said I wasn't. Okay, so our same print here with our trees, but in the reverse, instead of the black with the green, then we've got the green with the black. And then our cute little red barns. So fun. I don't want a whole quilt of this, but I think in the right application, not applique. I've been talking applique all day. This would be really cute. Definitely in some of your more traditional blocks too. Okay, that same herringbone that's really, really tiny and red. I'm going to get you a super, super close up. Look at that. It's like almost, it feels like one thread. Like you should get one little red thing in your English paper piecing to make it work. Okay, and our same text print, but in red with the black print again. And I like this one too. I don't think I would use this as a binding because it just isn't as striking to me as the black, but it's cute. It's cute. And then our red. And I like the red barns. I think I like the red barns on the cream the best. And the green barns are pretty cute too. This other one was a little bit jarring. And again, I haven't played with this particular line a lot. I just liked that backing fabric. Let me see if I have some extra that I can put on the screen for you guys. Oh no, that's something else. Just kidding. You guys, I told you, I definitely like some Sweetwater. This is Main Street, I think. I thought it was a backing that I bought, but it's not it's not Red Barn, it's Main Street. I like Sweetwater for backings because I just think it's fun. Okay. Sorry, I will get on with it. I promise. I really do. I promise. Okay. Green Barns. Oops. Now I'm skipping ahead. Okay. So then our same text again, but in black and white or black and cream. And then our 2 X's. So that's everything, guys.
Okay. So let me make sure I didn't miss anything here. We've got our pattern with a value of $13. We have our mystery block of the month, valued at $5. The project bag, valued at $4. The blade, we've got at $10.50. Our 16 fat quarters at $68. And then our Mettler thread at $5. Let's see. I think that's everything in this kit. So they've got a total MSRP of $116.25. Now for me, you know, I like to get all of my fat quarters for less than $3 a pop. So for me, 16 fat quarters ought to run you about $48. So we're already kind of pushing the limits there. I'm not mad at getting this blade, and I'm not mad at what is probably closer to a couple years old on the Sweetwater. And I love this line, and I haven't always been able to find it in bulk like this. So for me, this is like icing on the cake, and I love it. The pattern value, kind of hit or miss. I really like to sew out patterns with you guys. And if you don't at least get the same pattern in your box, then it's hard to do that. So 6 one way, half a dozen the other. I might use it sometime. It's really a cute pattern. Looks like some pretty basic shapes that are kind of set up to be intricate and detailed. So all in all, I'm pleased with this box. I love Sweetwater, so you kind of can't go wrong if you give me Sweetwater in a box or Fig Tree or Bonnie and Camille, but I digress. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with this box. I don't know that I'm going to continue the subscription because it just hasn't been something that I can sew along with you guys, but I'm really excited that this was my last box, and it may turn my opinion. We'll have to see when I sew it out. So if you like watching any of these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out so very much. If you know any other quilters that might be interested, please share it with them. That's how we grow and how we share our tips and tricks. And if you have tips and tricks, I really do want to hear about it. So jump on over to our Facebook group. Show me pictures of what you're working on. I love to hear it. I love to see it. Until then, guys, I will see you next time.